Let's look at the lineage of Senator siblings Camille and Mark Villar. I am Mona Magna Viluz. I hunt down ancestors and chase fascinating stories in Philippine history. Sina Camille at Mark ay anak ni na former Senators Mark Villar and Cynthia Villar. Manny Villar is the fourth richest Filipino with $3.1 billion net worth in 2026, according to Forbes, with holdings in real estate, retail, broadcast, and water utilities. Medyo may problema sila ngayon sa buwis, regulatory at operational issues. Mark Villar is the chair of the Senate Committee on Finance. Nagkakilala sina Manny at Cynthia bilang mga estudyante sa University of the Philippines College of Business Administration. Manny was born in Tondo in 1949. His father was Manuel Montalban Villar Sr. who worked in government. Nung naging director ng Bureau of Fisheries ang papa niya, nakalipat sila mula Tondo papunta sa Navotas. We can trace Manuel Sr.'s roots to Cabanatuan, Iloilo as far back as the 1830s. Manny's mother, Curita Bamba, came from Orani, Bataan and sold seafood in Divisoria to support her 9 children. I could not find much about her except her parents were also natives of Orani. Cynthia Aguilar Villar was a daughter of Dr. Filimon Aguilar and Lydia Ampaya. Dr. Filimon was one of the first graduates of the UP College of Medicine in 1939. He served as a barrio doctor in his hometown after the war and married a pharmacist, Lydia Ampaya. Together, they served the community. He built on inherited land from his parents and acquired wealth through more real estate investments and their poultry farm. Cynthia's paternal 2-times great-grandmother, Estanislana Aldana, was from a political family. Elias Aldana served as Las Piñas mayor for 9 years, 1925 to 1934, and Bernardo Aldana served for 8 years, 1938 to 1946. Filimon, Cynthia's father, served as Las Piñas mayor for 22 years, 1964 to 1986. His son Vergel and his wife Imelda served for 30 years, 1995 to 2025, and his granddaughter April followed her parents. Their other relatives have been occupying local positions at all levels, from vice mayor to barangay captain, for decades now. The Aguilars have established roots in Las Piñas as far back as 1738, with Mark and Camille's 6-times great-grandfather Miguel Aguilar. Noong panahon na yon, yung mga nakatira sa Las Piñas, puro mga mangingisda, mga nagtatanim at nagpapatuyo ng nipa, at mga asindero. Hindi asyendero, wala po silang asyenda. Asindero, yung mga gumagawa ng asin. Napapaisip ako kapag nakakakita ko ng ganitong klaseng concentration of economic and political power. Asyendero o asindero man ang ninuno mo, sana gamitin natin ang ating namanang rangya sa buhay para umunlad ang lahat. O diba?
Meow meow.